Hey everyone, what's going on? Joey here, and currently we're on Pacific Avenue at Pine Avenue because, as you know, we've been talking about the reconstruction for Pacific Avenue for several months now in our weekly update videos. And for those who don't know, for the past several years, Wildwood has been working on a project to redevelop the entire Pacific Avenue corridor. Now, this past March, they started approving different projects here on Pacific Avenue. You know of some that already started a while back. Those are the 38 dwellings down there on that Pacific Avenue. And of course, down that way after Skellinger, you have the residence on Pacific. A new one that we've kind of mentioned a little bit is what's taking place behind me. This is 3120 Pine Avenue, or Pacific Avenue. And this building right here, well, it's going to get torn down. And before it gets torn down, you know, the biggest thing with the Wildwood Video Archive is that we like to preserve history. Whether that is digitizing 8mm, Super 8mm, 16mm film, or giving you guys tours of the buildings before they're gone from history, today we're kind of going to do that. Now, a lot of you guys are probably asking what's going to take its place. A new application calls for this lot to be subdivided because it's this lot, this whole building, a lot over there as well on the other side, and there used to be a church over there at one time, so part of that lot, well, it's going to be subdivided into 3 different lots. 2 lots is going to be about 5,400 square feet and 1 9,000 square foot lot. Now, I do have photos to share with you what it's going to look like. Take a look. And so there you guys go. I want to thank you for joining me. If you haven't done so yet, please subscribe, turn on notifications, and give this video a thumbs up. And a special thank you out to my Patreons on patreon.com. You too can support this channel. All you have to do is click the links in the description below. Anyway, I'm Joey. As always, I'll see you on the beach, which is that way. So I'll see you later. Bye.